Do you drive a 2021 or newer Peterbilt or Kenworth with a digital dash? Well, today I'm going to show you how to take the steering wheel switches out of your factory steering wheel and install them into an aftermarket SCI wheel. We'll be using the brand new Digital Dash Smart Kit by SCI, which makes this a super easy process. It comes with the hub, bolts, and housing for the switches. So everything you need except for the factory switches and the steering wheel itself. Oh, and you'll also need a Torx, Phillips head, and a hex screwdriver. Begin by gently prying off the plastic trim that holds the switches in place on your factory steering wheel. Flip the trim over and remove the 4 Torx screws that keep the switches in place. Start by gently popping the wire out, pull these side tabs, and then pop the switches out. Now, take your switch pad and remove the back. Put the switches in the pad, line up the tabs, and click them into place. Using 2 of the provided Phillips screws, secure the switches to the pad. Reattach the back piece and use the 4 remaining Phillips screws to secure it. The hard part is over and our switch pad is built. Now, let's install it into our SCI steering wheel. We do recommend doing this part with the hub kit already attached to your steering column because then you can just run your wires through as you're building it. Alright, take your wheel hub, put the switch pad on, put your aftermarket wheel on, and then put the horn bezel on. If you're building this directly on your steering column, now is the time to feed the wires through the switch pad and horn bezel. Use the 3 supplied hex bolts to secure everything. Then, attach your horn butt. And now we have it, a cool, aftermarket steering wheel that has all the factory steering wheel functions. To get one of these kits for yourself, visit Rainey's.com or call us at 888-888-7990.